Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form our solar system. A celestial body can be defined as any natural body outside of the Earth's atmosphere. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called as stars. Sun is the powerhouse of the solar system. It is composed of 73% of hydrogen, 25% of helium gases and other metals. Sun is approximately 15 crore kilometers further away from the Earth. It takes around 8 minutes 30 seconds for a light at the speed of 3 lakh km per second to reach the Earth. It is said that temperature at the surface of the Sun is 5800 Kelvin and temperature at the center of the Sun is 15.7 million Kelvin. Various patterns formed by different groups of stars which we see at night. These are called constellations. Most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. It is group of 7 stars. Some celestial bodies don't have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of different stars. Such bodies are called planets. Planets inside the belt are called terrestrial planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Terrestrial planets are nearer to the Sun, with the metallic minerals and rock crust, with a thin atmosphere and have less number of natural satellites. Jovian planets are away from Sun, made up of hot gases, have the ring around them and have large number of natural satellites. It is the closest planet to the Sun and a very hot planet. The smallest planet in the solar system with the diameter of 4900 km. Fastest planet with the speed of 1,72,500 km per hour to complete revolution around the Sun in 88 days. The planet with no water and gas like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of our Earth. Earth, the only planet in the solar system to give support to life with a pleasant atmosphere. It is also known as blue planet because of the presence of water on it. It has only one natural satellite named Moon. Mars, also known as red planet because of the iron-rich red soil. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. It has two natural moons, Phobos and Deimos. It has a thin atmosphere and surface with valleys, craters, deserts and ice caps. Olympus Mons. It is the largest volcano and tallest mountain in the solar system and it lies on the Mars. Its elevation is 27 km. Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system with the shortest rotation. It has the atmosphere filled with hydrogen, helium and other gases. It is the third brightest object in the night sky after the Moon and Venus. The Great Red Spot, a giant storm in the solar system, exists on this planet. It has at least 69 moons, including 4 large Galilean moons, which are Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto, which were discovered by Galileo. Ganymede is the largest among them. Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and a gas giant. It has a bright and concentric ring around it, which are made up of tiny rocks and pieces of ice. Saturn can float on water because it has less density than water. It It has 82 moons and Titan is the largest among them. Uranus. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. It is greenish in color. It was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. It is also known as ice giant. The atmosphere of Uranus is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains water and ammonia. It has the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. It rotates clockwise on its axis like Venus. It has at least 25 moons. Famous moons are Miranda, Ariel, and Umbriel. Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is also known as ice giant. The atmosphere is composed of hydrogen and helium. It is bluish in color because of the presence of methane. It is the fourth largest planet and the third most massive planet in the solar system. It was discovered by Johann Galle and Urbain Le Verrier in 1846. It is the only planet in the solar system found by mathematical prediction. It has 14 moons. The famous moon is Triton. Pluto. As per the new definitions of planets determined by the International Astronomical Union, Pluto has been omitted from the list of planets in 2006. Pluto is considered as the dwarf planet and it is the member of Kuiper Belt. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the Sun in the fixed path. These paths are elongated and they are called orbits. Moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth and is the planet's only natural satellite. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Our solar system lies in a spiral-shaped galaxy called Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is also named as Akash Ganga. In ancient India, it was imagined to be the rivers of light flowing in the sky. Sagittarius A is the black hole at the center of Milky Way galaxy. The nearest galaxy to us is Andromeda. There are 3 to 4 major theories of the evolution of the universe and ultimately of the solar system. The prominent theory among all these is the Big Bang theory. Kuiper Belt, a region of space between 30 to 50 astronomical units from the Sun, roughly confined with the thick band around the ecliptic of solar system. This area is populated by many thousands of trans-Neptunian objects. Goldilocks zone, the zone around a star where a planet could experience temperature like those on Earth, allowing for the possible existence of liquid water and of life. Small rocky body orbiting the Sun. Large number of these ranging enormously in size are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are called asteroids. Meteoroids are a small object moving in an interplanetary space of a size considerably smaller than an asteroid and considerably larger than an atom. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.